Hello everyone to another video. So I was looking at the popular on Roblox, and the thing is that I saw Airplane 3 and you're like, wait, there's another 2. Wait, but I have to explain. I played the first and the second game, but the third game I never heard of it. I didn't even know there was a third game. Sorry for something. I just looked on the popular and it was like at the third. Wait a second. Let me see. At what line it was? Yeah, it was the third line, the last at the third line. And when I started, it was written there. Thank you for playing Airplane. Was writing there, Airplane 2. I was like, what? These guys made a vid. Oh my Jesus! They made another Airplane. Yeah, this is legit the guys that made Airplane 1 and 2, or just the 2, the second. Secret mission. I don't know. Oh my God, these squid guys. Who? Hi. What? I don't know these guys. From this point on, everything I say should be taken as an order. Ha! Ha! Okay, I gave my words back. Now, please take a seat. I'm already down. Baby Yoda and Baby Squill. Baby Yoda, chill rat, it's a big fan. Baby Squill. Ah, my leg. I don't know if you guys know the next big meme. I don't know if you guys know, but Baby Yoda is a pretty cool meme. The next big meme. Let's see what you got. General Punisher. I think that's me. Okay. Oh, it's actually showing good objective here. This is our target. That looks just like Spider-Man. Whoa, no way! I don't know if you guys know, but if you played Airplane 2, you know what I'm talking about. Ronald in Airplane 2 was the president, and this guy is named Ronald. So I'm thinking, wait, it isn't. Wait, is Ronald the man? Wait, my head hurts right now. Thank goodness. Wait, I remember. So this is legit. They're talking about the airplane in Airplane 2. Because in the Airplane 2, you were attacked by a monster in an airplane. And I'm thinking that Ronald, this guy, is the monster. And this guy is telling us to get him. But how will we get to the plane? Like legit. Apple. Good questions. Good question. Oh my Jesus. Okay, it's actually. Hold it. Wait, let's sit down. Oh, this is so cool. And I'm the one that asked. I'm the one. Oh my Jesus. Everyone ready? Yes, I'm ready. Let's go. Yes, I'm gonna say yes. No, I'm not. No, I'm not saying yes in the chat. What did going down? Wait, what? We're going down. What the heck? Is this sound reminds me of an vacuum cleaner. This sound is a vacuum cleaner going and getting everything. What? That's the biggest airplane I ever seen in my entire life. Trust me, that's the biggest airplane. I have to say, sorry. Oh my gee, that's the biggest airplane I ever seen for a military. I knew they were like 2 blocks, like those big blocks where people live in apartments. No one is leaving this place without a military outfit. I have to take a military outfit. And I think I actually like the red one right here. Yeah, I like the red one right here. The red one is actually very... look at me, I'm a military right now. This game I think is gonna take a while, so I'm gonna split it in 2 parts. Sorry for splitting it in 2 parts. Let's check the system. Well, I'm not. Wait. Wait. Am I the only one that choose the red one? No, wait. There's another guy that choose the red one. Checking the. How is that checking the plane? You're not even touching the keyboard. Oh come on! Not enough fuel. It looks like we don't have enough fuel. Well, we just realized we will need to fill the plane tank completely before we can take off. That's the fuel zone line. There are 4 of them. Wait, I can see myself. Okay. I have no idea where am I. Like, I can't see. Hey, I want the tank. Give me the tank. Give me the... This guy got the tank. So this is the first tank and that's the second tank. That girl got it. How is the wire so long? Somebody explain me. What? There are 4? How we're supposed to get? Oh wait, I got it. How we're supposed to get it? And the guy got it. I don't see any more of those. Okay, all of them are correct. Look how good the art is. Excellent. I want to get in the plane. I'm a military. Yeah, I'm sure I'm gonna split this thing into parts. Now we are ready. I'm gonna try to make this case first. Wait, I need to get to the back. Through. Wait, there's a teddy bear! I want the teddy bear. Let me get a teddy bear. And who's the other guy? And who's the other guy? I want to know. Come on. System is ready, General. I'm trying to beat this guy. Please start the engine, pilot. Engine. I don't know how to say it. Starting the engine. I'm gonna say it. Engine. Wait, how are you gonna get out with those things on? And engine's ready. Opening the back door. Wait, where am I? I don't see myself. Okay, let me get this teddy bear because I want it. I don't see any teddy bear. I'm gonna say the closest to it. I'm a rat girl. I don't know, but this guy is just the same as me. Oh, what's up, bro? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think there's people missing. I don't see anyone on the outside part. Closing the door. Prepare for... Wait, I can't do anything. Wait, I can get out. I can't do anything with my daddy. Like, I just have it. Oh my Jesus. Stupid ads. Bananas. I want I want a banana. Maybe a few hours. That's why it had. Guys, don't eat the banana. At first hand, he looks like a good person. Yeah, but he's the agent. I just. This is. Wait. This is my first time playing the game. Thanks for telling. I'm not gonna eat it. This is my first time playing the game. Thanks for telling. Do not eat them. Wait! Don't eat the banana. No problem. It's what? Told you. Thanks though. Thank you, guy. Ha. Okay. Oh my, that's not funny, general. You know what? I'm gonna eat banana. No, I got him. Lol. Good for a prank. Oh, good. Okay, see you guys. Okay, so this is the end of part 1. I think tomorrow I'm gonna post part 2. So, see you guys next time.